My fingers are bleeding for picking up pieces you made of me. I can't let you in my delicate skin. It's far too thin, porcelain, and your blade is sharp. Take it too far. It's just who you are. Cold cement, and you can't resist. With your iron fist, you come crashing down till I found in pieces. And when you feel with regret, soon you'll forget. And I left a mess in your head.